Namaste, Didi. Namaste, Didi.
Nowadays there are different ways of doing namaste. Most of the time people are not doing this. They do this, they do this, something. But I think I like this. Do you like this namaste? It's nice. Huh? Okay, so we have done the Charana, Swara, and Charana, Pangana Nile. Now we go to the first Swara and Sahitya. You know the construction of Varna. So, Pallavi, Anapallavi, Chitra Swara, Sahitya, Charana. Now in this Charana, Swara, Charana, Sahitya. And then Sahitya, Sahitya and Swara. 1, 2, 3, 4 as many as. Now in this, okay, let's first do the Nritya part, so it's easy. Ni sa gari ni sa ni gari gama ni sa gari ni sa ni gari gama
Ni sa gari ni sa ni gari gama.
Simple. After you learn this swara and then after you learn this sahitya, you tell me, I will ask you then. So, ni sa ga re ni sa ga re ni sa ni ga re ga. 8
Not.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ni sa ga re ni sa ni ga re ga ma. Now I will show you this. Ni sa ga re ni sa ni ga re. You see what I'm trying to do is slow 3 and then 1 turn. Ni sa ga re ni sa ni ga re ga ma. Try 1, 2, 3, 4. Ni. And I don't want you to strike that leg so very strong, very light. Tai yum tat tai yum. No tai yum. Tai yum, only put it back. Tai yum tat tai yum. No tai yum. Ta ha. 2, 3, 4. Ni sa ga re ni sa ni ga re ga ma. And then ni sa ga re ni. Then 2, 3, 4. Ni sa ga re ni. and dit, tai. Bring it back. Tai, dit, tai. Tai, dit. No, not bring your eyes also back, not dit, tai. 2, 3, 4. Knee is there. Don't look here. 2, 3, 4. Is it not with Arimali? This. It's with Arimali. 2, 3, 4. Tattaitam is that way, right? It's not standing. Did you learn standing? Arimali? No. 2, 3, 4. Sa, ga, ni, sa, ni, ga, ri, ga, ma. And then tatai teita tatai teita right left but tatai diagonal. You must tatai extend your those small limbs, but you ta, no, like extend and take around. Try to extend. That's better. 2, 3, 4. Ni, sa, ni. No, double. Ni, sa, ni. Ta, tei, teita, ta, tei, teita, dit, tei, teita, dit, tei, teita, ta, tei, teita, dit, tei, teita. Ta, tei, teita, ta, tei, teita, tei, teita, dit. This is ta, tei, teita. Ta, tei, teita. 2, 3, 4. Go straight. No need time. 2, 3, 4. It's time. There is enough time. Mi, sa. Okay. Mi, sa. Mi, sa. 2, 3, 4. Mi, sa. Sa. When you just started me. Teita, ta, tei, teita, one hand. Ta, tei, teita, dit, tei, teita. And then
Taita.
You must bring it. Ta, tei, tat. Why do you always have to smiling, as I said earlier, is necessary, but suddenly it comes, those we know that you are enjoying the dance. So it's fine. 2, 3, 4. Observe. Ta, tei, no. Ta, tei, ta.
Eka.
From here, this will not fall down. It will be without falling. It's like this. What you're doing is like this. Extend all the way back and fold it ta. Ta, tei, tei, tat. You're taking it early. Take your time. Ta, tei, tei, tat. Ta, tei, you are only here. Tei, tei, tat. Ah. And the last tihai. So let's do the three variations. Ni sa ga re ni sa mi ga re ga ma ni sa ga re ni sa mi ga re ga ma ni sa ga re ni sa ni ga re ga ma ni sa ga re ni sa ni ga re ga ma. Diditai takatadingina tom diditai takatadingina takatadingina tom diditai takatadingina tom diditai. You can do diditai takatadingina tom diditai tak kirdagargatom tak kirdagargatom diditai takatadingina tom diditai. Diditai takatadingina tom diditai tak kirdagargatom. Then again tak kirdagargatom diditai takatadingina tom diditai. Now we want to do all diditai is the same or different. Let's see how it looks. Diditai takatadingina tom diditai tak kirdagargatom diditai takatadingina tom diditai. Yeah, right left will come, but I am looking at diditai. Let's try. Diditai takatadingina tom diditai tak kirdagargatom diditai takatadingina tom diditai. One, two, three, four. Diditai takatadingina tom diditai tak kirdagargatom.
Left side.
Diditai takatadingina tom diditai. Tell us.
स्पीड में Okay, now learn the Abhinay. You can stand here. So far the Sakhi has been saying that, oh my friend, oh my beautiful friend, I am eagerly waiting for his coming. You please go quickly and call the great Lord who holds the Tigari and Shanga and who is the Mahitaram. Everyone is
speaking great about him, and I have the flower bed ready for him. And this is the time, this beautiful time, the season, the moonlight, everything is there, and I want him to come. And Pangana Maile, oh beautiful Sakhi, as beautiful as the proud peacock that you are, Sarasa Vagaya, very nicely, please go and bring him here. Now she gets into a little different mood, that what is happening, that all this is nice, but he has not yet come. So she feels that Ningad, the night is also compared to the Viraha, that the night is unending. What is this night? The night of Viraha. The night, the time that is not here, it's like dark time. It's very tormenting. So it is unending. So when will it get over? She is trying to tell the Sakhi now that yes, you are disturbing me and all that. But what is happening to her inside is she is trying to be very enthusiastic and full of love and everything. But still there is a time everywhere, every life, every time that you start having doubts, you start feeling pain. And so she says that this night seems to be unending. This separation, the night of, it is not night like 10 hours of night, but it is this night of separation. This viraha. Viraha is like the night. In this viraha, in this beautiful bower, when the kuil, so it is also daytime.
Yes.
It's not just the night time, but his not being there is dark.
Yes, it's for her.
For her, his not being there is dark. And then at that time, when the kuil speaks,
Kuil is supposed to be the one and it's a bird which enhances the feeling of love, karma. Like the parrot, like that Kuil also is one of the birds. The sound of Kuil is enhancing the torment. So she says that this night is unending. And in the flower, in the board, in the summer house, when the Kuil is speaking, I can't bear. This night, this viraha, I cannot bear. So try doing 2, 3, 4. Ninga. This is, your eyes are there, right? Now you close the eyes, that means
Dark.
it becomes dark. Dark is night.
Night.
So first, just don't close. From here you take slowly. Ninga. So people will feel your eyes getting closed and covered. 2, 3, 4. But don't go on smiling. Now you must get into that mood of her unending night. So 2, 3, 4. Open your eyes first. Then after the hands come here, then inside you may close or you may open. But 2, 3, 4. It will come. Ira will sleep. Go in Alida. Ira will. Now immediately don't sleep. I know you are sleepy, but you don't have to sleep. You are showing through your distinct sleep. Actually you are not sleeping because you can't sleep. You are just trying to show the night, unending viraha. So you are up, your eyes are kind of, hey, where are you? Like that. Dark. With your eyes open, you sleep, no?
Yes.
Like that. 2, 3, 4. Ningat, iravil, pungat, pungat, pujil paluka. You can move. You can move. Pujil paluka. Pujil paluka. 2, 3, 4. Ningat, iravil, pungat, pujil paluka. Twice. Second time, go back. Pujil paluka, ningat, iravil, pungat, pujil paluka, ningat, iravil, pungat, pujil paluka, ningat, iravil, pungat, pujil paluka. Okay? One who see, one still. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ningat, iravil, pungat, pujil paluka, ningat, iravil, pungat, pujil paluka. So let's do the swara and sahitya together. sa sa ni sa ga ri ga ma ga ma pa ni sorry sa ga ri ga ma ni sa ga ri ni sa ni ga ri ga ma ni sa ga ri ni sa ni ga ri ga ma ni sa ga ri ni sa ni ga ri ga ma ni sa ga ri ni sa ni ga ri ga ma pa pa ma ga pa ma pa ma ga ri ga ma ga ri sa ni sa sa ni sa ga ri ga ma ga ma ni ga ri ga vir punga pujul paluka ni ga ira vir punga pujul paluka ni ga ira vir punga pujul paluka ni ga ira vir punga pujul paluka pa 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 ga ga ma pa ma ga ri ga ma ga ri sa. Now when I say, when we were doing the Nritta part, this swara, I said I'll ask you afterwards. So now do you see what kind of adavus we are doing? You feel something, you can do anything, na? Anything can be done.
But this one is slow. Ni sa ga ri. So the movement was like slow.
And also the bhava.
Yes.
So how do you get nritta, which can be expressive? So
Yes,
ni
this movement.
ga ni sa ga ri ni sa ni ga ri ga ma ni sa ga ri ni sa
Yes.
So, though it is nritta, you can give it a feel of the things that are going to come.
Yes.
Okay? Okay. Nara mudotaka tikotaka adinga nako. Someone asks you what is the Naika of the Varnam. What will you say? Not who is the Naika. What is the Naika of the Varnam?
What is
Which Naika?
Vipralabdha? She is in pain. She has pain. But she knows that the night come.
Nayak will come.
Yes.
She is optimistic.
Yes.
She is sending the friend.
Yes. उसको
She-
पता है कि वो कहाँ पे है. Then only वो बोल रही है अपनी सखी को कि उसको जाओ और
बुला
लेके
के
आओ.
आओ.
और उसको पता है कि वो आने वाला है. So I think विप्रलब्धा.
So the love is there, everything is there, but he is not here right now. So she wants him to come.
हाँ, उसका विरह है बट फिर भी उसको पता है कि
Momentary virah hai.
Yes. हाँ.
Momentary virah.
Yes.
It is not unending where she doesn't know nothing.
हाँ.
She feels the night is also long. Virah is disturbing. Huh?
Yes, yes. So I think this one.
Okay. All right. Ciao. Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you.